Next we're going to insert the doors and windows in the room. So there's a door in this area here. So if we go to Insert, Room Elements, and select Door. Okay, so you'll notice that it only allows us to move the door along and only allows us to put it in the wall area. Okay, so I'm inserting the door as close as possible there to the existing door. Now if you need to change the door, so you'll notice I've still got that tab active, so if I click somewhere on the wall now, it's going to put in another door. So if I hit the escape key to get me out of that mode, if you need to resize this door, okay, so if you click on the door, you'll see that there's two things become common. This X here, and if you click on that, that allows you to resize the door, okay, up or down. Okay, so once you've resized it, you can simply click again. Or alternatively, if you click on this square box here, okay, along that line, allows you to move the door. Okay, so both of those options are there to us. So I'm going to move it to that corner, and then I'm going to click on the x-axis here just to resize it a little bit, get it as close to the drawing as possible, and there's my door. Next I want to insert a window, so I do it in the same way. Insert Room Elements, Window, and if I go to the wall area here where I want to insert the window, like so. Okay, and again I want to hit the escape key, and now I need to resize this window. Okay, so you'll see at first I need to move it because it only allows me to resize it down the way. And now I can resize it like so. When you're happy, and click there like that. So at this stage I've selected my four walls, I've inserted my door and my window. If we go up here where the three-dimensional box is shown, this will allow me to open the room in a 3D view. Okay, so we can zoom in. Now if you have a mouse, I'm using my laptop here, but if you have a mouse with a roller, obviously the roller mouse will allow you to move a lot easier and zoom in and out, etc. So you can see my window that I've inserted there. You can see my door that I've inserted also. Now one of the things about this window is it's a boardroom. This window actually drops right down to the floor level. So I can actually do that in the 3D view here. Okay, so if I click here and move the window down, I'm just going to leave it shy of the floor. Okay, and then if I click on this axis here, it allows me to move the window up. So now I've got my full height window in position. So you can see you can pretty much do whatever you want within the 3D view also. I could do the same for the door if I wanted it as well. So I'm going to return to the plan view, which is this button here. Brings me back to my original plan. So there's my window and there's my door. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert a table and some chairs. So we're going to insert a 3D object.